Hi friends, welcome my channel Gadgets and Review. So, in this video, we will take a look at some of the best soldering stations you can buy online. Compared to your typical off-the-shelf soldering iron or soldering gun, this innovative device is a big help. With it, you can achieve better temperature control for precision setting to high or lower temperatures to accommodate your specific solder material. Sure, a beginner you can do soldering with any station, but you would hardly get the required results if you don't know how to pick the best soldering station for beginners among all the available options on the market. So, let's find out. Number 5. It's better quality product in this list. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 4. This is one of the best product in this video. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. If you want more information about this product, please check description box. Number 3. This product quality is very good. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 2. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 1.
This product full details.
Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Thanks for watching.